One of the most elusive and annoying things about FPV is when a motor's acting up, because it's not always apparent that that motor is bad. I mean, if it's just not working, sure, yeah, replace the motor. But sometimes the motors can get off balance. If you see from my video where I went and visited Brother Hobby, you could see that they had to balance the motor in order for it to operate efficiently and effectively down to like a microscopic level using a specialized machine with a laser to read it and stuff like that. That is why it is so important to not just go with the popular brand, but to actually look into what materials your motor manufacturer is using, because how the motor is going to hold up against light crashes depends on whether they're using really cheap steel or if they're using the highest grade titanium. However, even titanium has its breaking point, and especially on a bigger drone, even light crashes really transmit into big crashes because there's so much weight and momentum that when you crash, all of that can be put onto the motor if it like hits a prop, and that's going to try to bend that shaft just ever so slightly, which maybe it still works because it only bent a micron, but it is going to put it out of whack, and you can hear it. Your drone may have been flying perfectly before, but now you notice that whenever you fly forward smoothly, you have like a little dip or a bobble, usually to the same side. And that's probably your motor is out of whack. So today I'm going to teach you how to diagnose that and of course how to fix it, which spoiler alert, just got to replace the motor. Now, the first question is, do I need to take the props off my drone before I actually do any sort of diagnosing of it? The answer is yes. Yes, you do. Okay, I took that top piece off there so it's just easier to see what's going on. There is my little USB connector. We're gonna go ahead and plug this in. You also wanna grab yourself a pen and paper because you will wanna write this stuff down. In fact, actually before you even start, you can just draw your X8. Outside is the bottom, just like in beta flight. You're gonna plug your battery in. Try to unplug the drone. Okay, and now you're gonna turn this little button here and that lets you spin up the motor. So you're just gonna spin the motor up, spin up one. Motor two. Motor three. Motor four. That didn't sound good. Motor five. Motor six. Motor seven. Motor eight. A little bit of vibration there. Go ahead and feel the frame as you're doing it. Motor 7. No vibration. Motor 6. Over here. No vibration. Motor 5. Not much vibration. Motor 4. That does not sound good. Motor 3. Motor 2. Motor 1. A lot of vibrations coming from motor 8. Now, also, you want to be careful spinning these up too much. Now, these are fine, but the motors aren't getting cooling from the props, so they can heat up if you're pushing them too far. I didn't like the way 4 and 8 sounded the most. I'm not actually going to show me replacing these motors because that's not the point of this video. All you have to do is desolder them, stick on the new motors, and then resolder them. It's pretty easy. But there is one more thing I'd like to tell you before I go. You don't always have to completely replace your motors. You can actually buy these bells right here. These are the bells for the top of the motor, and these little shafts right here are what gets out of balance and out of whack and or bent. And so actually often just by replacing these top bells, you can have a completely new feeling motor, and that's for a fraction of the cost, well, about half the cost. And hey, save every penny you can. However, just know that it may not fix the issue and there may be something else wrong with your motor. Most of the time it is this, but you don't know. So if you buy these, just know it may not fix your problem. You may also kind of want to get a spare motor as well, or just keep a couple of these lying around for the drone that you fly the most often. Well guys, I hope this helps and I hope this keeps you up in the air. This is Dr. Quads, and I'll catch you next time.